Good morning. This week we're going to look at Chapter 7 and the idea of meiosis. Last week we talked about mitosis, which is the period of the cell cycle where the cell is actively reproducing itself. This week we're going to look at meiosis, which is the process that a cell goes through in order to divide the amount of genetic information into basically sex cells, or your sperm or your egg cells. So we want our sperm and our egg cells to only have half the number of chromosomes or half the number of genetic material in it, so that when fertilization occurs, when a sperm and an egg join together, that they have a complete set of chromosomes that a human needs to survive. So the ultimate goal here is to make sperm and egg cells that have half the number of chromosomes in them. Whoops. You can kind of see how this process works out. We'll start with one cell, and it's going to go through the first division stages, and then it's going to go through a second division stage, which will end up with 4 cells. Now, the names of these stages, interphase, prophase, metaphase, interphase 1, prophase 1, or prophase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, they have the same names as the stages of mitosis that you learned about last week. So, and the things that are happening are very, very similar. So don't get confused by that. Just know that in mitosis, we made 2 genetically identical cells. In meiosis, we're starting with 1 cell and we're making 4 genetically different sex cells with only half the amount of genetic information in it. So we're going to go through 2 periods of division here. Heading over to Blackboard, you guys know the routine by now. We're over halfway done with the semester. Whoop, whoop. But there is guided notes. There is content assignment. There is a Let's Talk discussion on chromosomal disorders. There is no virtual lab this week, so you kind of get a break from the simulations. There isn't one that's really great for this particular topic, so we're just going to get rid of it for the week. So one less thing to do. I hope that you spend the time that you would have on the virtual lab doing something really excellent. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask, and have a great day.